In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on Grayscale on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to enable Grayscale on your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Once you turn on Grayscale, this is going to change the color of your Apple Watch. So this will allow you to navigate your Apple Watch clearly if you have problem with colors like color blindness. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do is just press the two crown to go back to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings. Then on the settings page, you want to scroll down. Once you get accessibility, you can use the soft touch or use the two crown to scroll down until you get accessibility. Go ahead and click on that. Now once you selected accessibility, scroll down. And then locate color filters, and then go ahead and click on that. And once you click on color filters, turn on color filters. Under color filters, locate Grayscale and turn that on. Then that's going to enable Grayscale on your Apple Watch. Now to confirm this, you can see your Apple Watch settings app is now in Grayscale, right? Then if you go back to the clock face, you should see Grayscale. And if you go back to the app menu, you should see the Apple Watch now in Grayscale. So that's how you can easily enable Grayscale on Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.